Hi, and welcome back to Low Carb Cocktails. I'm your host, Frank. Today we'll be making a low carb Bloody Mary. Well, actually, just a Bloody Mary because it's under 5 grams of carbs to begin with. So this cocktail is gonna have 4.5 grams of carbs, and that's just with actually making no modifications to it. So this recipe is gonna make 2 Bloody Marys. So in a large tin, mason jar, whatever you got big to mix it in, we're gonna add 8 ounces of tomato juice, and this is where all the carbs come in. This is, I think I used the Walmart brand. This came out to be 9.5 grams, or 9 grams of carbs in an 8-ounce serving. Cut that in half because we're making 2 Bloody Marys, 4.5 grams of carbs. Next, we'll be using some JT Melic vodka. And that'll be 4 ounces. And next we'll be going with some lemon juice. 2 ounces of lemon juice. 2 ounces of lime juice. 1 ounce of hot sauce. 1 ounce of Worcestershire sauce. A half teaspoon of salt, and I am using Himalayan pink salt. You can use regular salt. I just kind of change the flavor just slightly. With a half teaspoon of the secret ingredient, and not so secret anymore, cumin. Gives a little bit of smokiness. Next, we're gonna go with a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Ice in 1 tin, put that all together. And go ahead and give this a good shake. Now you could build this in a glass, but blending it together really enhances it a little bit more, because all the flavors and the seasoning blends are all kind of combining together. So now, in our glass full of ice, we're gonna strain this. I said this will make 2, but for purposes here, we're just gonna go ahead and do 1. And next, our Bloody Mary garnishes. So we go with some greens. We got ourselves some olives, pickled green beans, and some pickled okra. A little lemon. And a piece de resistance, if I said that right, is a coiled crawfish. The family that owns JT Melic also owns Frugier Aquafarms, a crawfish and rice farm, hence the rice vodka and the crawfish. So guys, there you have low carb Bloody Mary. And this recipe can be found on JT Melic's website at jtmelic.net. And this is called the Louisiana Purchase. All right guys, y'all have a great day, because after a few more videos, I'll be having a great day too. See y'all later.